Right, what's up guys? It's Carl here from Monkey Mods. So I got a new blaster today. It's quite a well-known brand, Creative Pyramid. They are very well known for making the AK type gel blaster, pretty high-end one. Now they used to make, not really used to, but now they just make this what I would call a sport line or pro line series of a blaster of the AK that is a lot cheaper than the one that it used to make. This is a CP AK74MS, the shorter version. There are also the AK105 and then the AK74M, which are a bit longer. So I'll be unboxing the 74MS. So this is the box. When you receive it, they should come with this neat looking box. Open it, be greeted with this. Now I do have to comment that the Creative Pyramid has taken a lot of effort into the packaging. The box is pretty neat and the cut-off foams is very well done, it's very well made. So you probably won't have any problem of the blaster breaking in half during the transportation, because these foams, the whole thing is pretty much well secured. So let's just go through the parts that came out. So this is the blaster itself. Side. The buttstock. Nylon instructions. The magazine. Nylon as well. And what else? The muzzle. You do get two muzzles, same type, but one in orange, one in black. They are all nylon. So, small pins for the buttstock to go onto the receiver itself. So that's pretty much it. If you buy the most basic version, they do not come with any batteries, chargers, or any other accessories. This is it. This is just some dummy cuts out. I'm just going to guess this is where the battery charger will go. You buy the one with it. This is where the battery will go, of course. So let me just get rid of this box. This is the main blaster. Buttstock. Magazine. Two muzzles. So this is all you get. Now out of box, there's nothing much, no accessories or anything else, no dummy scope, nothing. Basically, CPAK is taking, the Creative Pyramid company is taking the AK line quite seriously. So whenever they are able to cut costs, reduce costs, they will do it, and hence this is all that you will get. Still, pretty nice of them to actually include two muzzles. So let me just assemble the blaster and go through you guys. So, to install the buttstock, you have to pop the top cover off first. Now, once the top cover is off, you can actually see a very nice detail of the gearbox and what is this called? A recoil or return spring. I don't know. This is the bolt. This has a Red Dragon second generation gearbox, so it's pretty neat. I heard that it's already come with metal gears, aluminium cylinder head, aluminium nozzle. I think it just means that it is pretty much upgraded out of the box. It's ready for game. So if you just take a closer look on the details, it's pretty sweet. So this is the charging handle and the bolt. So this is how far it can go. Oh, that's the selector blocking. So that's pretty good. So let's just go ahead and put on the buttstock. Now the buttstock, it's worth to mention that this piece, the connecting piece, is actually metal. So course it will lock into the blaster very securely. Okay. So, and this is a one-way pin, so you can tell this part is thinner than this part, so it's a one-way pin. It goes from the top of the blaster. Here, then you have to align with the blaster. Done. And then the muzzle. Let's just put on the orange one. Oh yeah, before I put on the muzzle, this is worth noting. This is where the muzzle goes, strap, and this piece is actually removable. This is the inner barrel. It's aluminium, so you will need to upgrade it as you want to. This also means that you can fit most of the hop-up right out the box. This will fit the latest LDT nylon hop-up, the ATK, basically all of the hop-up, because it's a very wide diameter. So you just put this on, and then you can plug your hop-up in directly. And then put the muzzle over. Like, give it that click. This is where the click comes from. These clicks on this knob serves the purpose to keep the muzzle true. So, let me see. So what happens is that the muzzle sometimes don't always get to lock into the right orientation. Sometimes you get locked in the weird positions, and this knob serves the purpose of locking the muzzle at the right orientation. So that's pretty neat. I'm not sure if the real still has this feature, but on this at least it looks pretty good. So this is it. Once it's assembled, this is the magazine. This side, put the magazine on and see how it looks like. So this is how it looks like once it's all assembled. It's nothing much, but yeah. So let me just start with the front of the blaster. I mentioned this is nylon. The side is nylon. Battery cover, nylon. Now basically, most of the things you see here on this table, on the CP Sportline, it is mostly nylon. Now there's only a few metal parts. This part is the outer barrel is metal. This hand guard, front cover is metal as well. This the magazine release mechanism here is made of metal. This whole piece basically, and then the sling mount, QD sling mount is metal. Otherwise, no one will be using them. That's fixing very solidly. This side, as mentioned, the stock connecting point is metal. You do get this point. You do get this out box. This is a top rail mount for your top rail accessories, but that's sold separately. So if you need it, you have to buy yourself. It's metal, yeah. And the rest is the same. There's a sling mount point here. This is metal as well. So you need to do a 2-point sling. So you can do that. And that is pretty much it. And you do get a cleaning rod. You can actually take this off when the muzzle is off. So that's a very nice detail. This is metal as well. So that's pretty much it. For 650 ringgit, around there, you get a very decent gearbox, and then a full nylon receiver. body, but it's very good nylon. It's very good quality nylon. There's some engraving here and there. What it says on this side. And onto the fire selector itself. Now, this is what I think is quite well done. Of course, this is metal as well. Right. On the real steel AK, the selector goes safety, full auto first, and all the way down is semi. Now, this is a very good detail that the RX AK was it 47 or 74? Can't remember. But anyway, the RX brand AK, they actually have force one. You go safety, semi, and full auto. That's force. So on the CP AK, they did it the right way. They followed, quite closely to the real steel one. So you get safety, full auto, and then only semi. And they click into place very very positively. You can tell that it clicks and it won't wobble, unlike the RX one. And yeah, so overall I think it's a pretty good blaster. If you like the AK, definitely consider it. Now there is also the AK74 and the 105 variant. I'm just going to show you guys quickly. I haven't assembled this, but this is I believe this is the 105. I don't really know, I'm not an AK fan. So the difference is the front of the blaster. This part is a bit longer than the 74M. So you can see the gas port here, the design is a bit different as well. So other than that, everything else is the same, including a FpsTom and the magazine is exactly the same. Let me just stack them together and see. Yeah, they are actually the same. The handguard is the same. Up to this point is the same. Just this part is a bit different. This is a bit longer. I believe this is a 105. So that's it. So I'm going to do a little test shooting without gels, just to let you see how is the rate of fires and how much noise it makes. So let me just put it aside. So I have assembled unit here. This is the AK74M, the standard length, so it's pretty long. As you can see here, just for comparison sake. This is the MS short version. So if I compare, this is how much difference it has. Wow. I would say 3-inch. Yeah. I already have a 7.4 volt battery in. Basically, how you will want to take off the battery, you just take off this pin and then the cover, and you have the access to the battery. It uses the mini Tamiya type battery connector, so if you need to, probably a good idea to get the Boss Lipo mini Tamiya version. So I already tested this, ran it on the Shox Pony. It clocks in at about 270 to 280 FPS. Now, this kind of performance is pretty good for stock blaster, and literally you don't need to mod anything. You just need a decent pop-up to go into front of the muzzle, and you're pretty much set. Maybe a spare magazine or something. But as you all know, the AK magazine capacity is higher than the M4's one. So I was told that the CP AK magazine are able to hold 350 to 400 rounds. So probably two of this do you good in mini games. So this already has a battery in, 7.4 volt Boss Lipo, the mini Tamiya connector. So we just test fire a few times. Safety. Photo. I'm not sure about the video, but from the outside, especially if you have gel loaded, it is very quiet. It just means that the gearbox is very well built, and the seal is good, and of course the inner barrel of this particular unit is pretty long, so you will get a very quiet performance when you use this. So let's just try the semi. You can notice how crisp the semi fire is. You won't get any weird. It cycles very consistently. You don't get any weird kind of gear grinding noises. You know. So on 7.4, I think the rate of fire is pretty decent already. I think on the Crony it says about 900 rounds per minute. So that's pretty good for an AK. I mean, of course, you can put an 11.1 volt in and get a way more crazy rate of fire, but I personally will not do that. Just seems a bit good enough. Just a bit good enough. Now, notice that it does have a EBB system installed out of box. It works pretty well. Now, of course, it doesn't travel all the way here. Probably just an inch or an inch and a half. I mean, it's gimmick, but let's make the blast looks more lively. So that's pretty much it for the blaster. Personally, I would recommend this. I mean, any of the three variants is fine. They perform very similarly, and they have the same price. So depending on your personal preference, the short one, medium, or the long one. Now that is it for the blaster themselves. I have never, oh yeah, I forgot to show you one very important features. The bus stop is foldable. So there's also a lock here. When you fold them, they lock in very positively. It's not much wobbles there. Problem there. So if you need to fold the stop, maybe for transportation or want to go fast in game, you can do so. And it is unlocked with this huge button here. I don't know why they made it so huge, but yeah. And again, once they click into place, they are very solid. No wobble whatsoever. Now the only complaint I have is actually the grip. The grip is made of nylon. There's no real problem there, but it flexes a bit when you actually turn it. I mean, it's not a big problem, but if it bothers you, this might be an issue. But other than that, yeah, very nice AK type of a blaster. Now, what is interesting about the CP AK is that because the design it follows the standard type one, so you can use pretty much the other AK accessories that are made for, you know, the AK. For example, the Zukov handguard. This will replace the stock handguard like so, to give it a very nice and practical look, and a lot more comfortable than the stock one. And then there's also the 12-inch version. And this is way longer. Now you can go like so. So it just covers all the front part of the blaster, just sleek. And then there is also the nylon rear accessory made for it. Now this is the top rail. You have to use all these three together. But bear in mind, this is made of nylon, so they are not super rock solid, but they are. I haven't put it on before, so I don't know. I need to put it on to see how it looks like. But from the picture, it does look quite cool. So this is the front hang-up part. It will give your AK quad wheels 1, 2, 3, 4, and this goes to the top of the receiver, like so. And so it looks like this. On. There you go, like this. So you give your AK a very futuristic and tactical look, and you can mount any of your Tiffany accessory on your CP AK. So it goes something like this. Now can't wait to put this on. It looks pretty good. Right, so and there is an aftermarket grip for the CP AK. This actually follows the Magpul designs. This is actually 3D printed. So it has a rubber coating. It's pretty good in hand, but because it's 3D printed, probably not a good idea if you plan to use your blaster extensively in the game, because the heat from the motor will actually deform the 3D printed material. So that is pretty much it. I've introduced the blaster itself and the accessories that are available for it. Oh yeah, before I forgot, there is also an attachment that allows you to convert the buttstock to use the standard M4 buffer tube. So if you want to go for the tactical AK look, you can get that as well. I don't have it right now, but I plan to build a tactical AK, and when I'm done with that, I will make another short review on that blaster. So this is the end, I suppose. Yeah. Thank you for watching. See you guys again.